Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color wheel video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be using filters for this one. So just select the filter that suits the color that you're going to pick later. So I'm trying to find a kind of bluish filter. Or I might change the color to something else, honestly. Hold on. Okay. Maybe like this, but not too much. Like the strength. Maybe like this much. And I'm going to put it at 0 first. Add a keyframe here. And then in the middle, I'm going to make it bluer. Then I'm going to add in a color wheel like that, and you can put it to the side or to the left or to the right. Then go to stickers and add in an arrow. You can also select other arrows if you'd like to. You don't have to certainly choose this one. Okay. And I'm just going to place it here. We're going to make it smaller as well. And then I'm going to make this rotate into the blue color. So go back to video, add in a keyframe here, and when it starts changing color, I guess here, I'm going to select the color wheel and I'm going to rotate it to the color I want, like this blue one for instance. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.